What's up guys, my name's Gunner. I just got a new haircut and welcome back to Life in Technicolor. So today is once again another different type of video from what I typically post. About 2 months ago I posted a video called Pop Punk Takeout Unboxing, and if you watched that you know about this business called Pop Punk Takeout. They're really cool. For about 50 bucks you get like a pizza box size box that's full of like merchandise of pop punk bands and new bands that have just started out and stuff like that, and it's really cool. And they offer a second cheaper option where it's a little bit smaller, and it's a to-go box, I think is what it was called. So I decided, let's switch it up this time. Let's get the to-go box, and I figured I'd do another unboxing for you guys. I'm curious to see what's in it this time, so without further ado, let's dig into this thing. He's got a knife. I made that joke in the last time. Okay, so it's in a little Chinese food takeout box this time. I like this a lot. That's really cool. Oh no, the handles broke off. Okay, so the handle must come off because I can't get the tape off like that. But I love this so much already. Okay, so I finally got it open. Let's see what we got this time. Humans Were Here. I love this because I have the space theming for my channel, so this is really cool. I will definitely use this. Oh my gosh, a cassette tape. I haven't bought one of these in forever. Million Miler Millie. Huh. Okay, I've never heard of them, so this is exciting. Oh, by Humans Were Here. Okay, so that's gonna go with the sticker. What is this? Blueberry habanero hot sauce. Hot sauce. Oh my gosh, that is so exciting. Now what is this? Humans Were Here buttons. Okay, so Humans Were Here, I don't think they're a band. I think they're a record label. Because it looks like this is multiple different artists under the name Humans Were Here. I don't know, I'll have to look it up. I'm almost to the bottom of the thing, so I want to slow down, but I'm so excited. Okay, another Pop Punk Takeout sticker. I love these stickers. So if you watch this Pop Punk Takeout, you guys make like probably the coolest stickers ever, and I love them, so keep it up. Another one of these. That one came in the last one. Not complaining, not complaining. Cuke Bodine, or Cuke Bodine? Okay, it's got a QR code on the back. I'll definitely scan that in a little bit. And then a new lanyard by Pop Punk Takeout and Smart Punk Records. I've actually been needing a new lanyard for my keys, so I will definitely use this. I love this so much, oh my gosh. I do want to say, in the last Pop Punk Takeout unboxing, I mentioned how long it took for the shipping to get to me. I just want to say that had to have been an isolated incident, because I ordered this one probably about a week and a half ago and it's already here, so that was definitely an isolated incident. Please don't let that affect if you decide to buy from this company or not. Wish I didn't say that. Guys, this video was not sponsored. Don't think I've sold out or anything like that. But if Pop Punk Takeout does want to work with me, you know how to hit me up. Just kidding. I know you probably wouldn't actually want to, but I'm rambling. So yeah, guys, this was this month's Pop Punk Takeout mini box, and it's really cool. I really liked it. I will definitely order another one probably in the future. Guys, here's your homework. I want you to find more companies like this that do mystery boxes or do big boxes similar to this, or something that you think I would be interested in, and I would love to unbox it for camera because I love this company. I love making videos like this. And so yeah, just let me know in the comments, and y'all have a good day, and don't forget to be nice to each other.